Today our lesson is going to be about acid anhydride, the third derivative of carboxylic acid. Anhydrides have a general molecular formula, structural formula R C double bond O O C double bond O R prime. The functional group here is C double bond O C double bond O. Okay. It has a general formula CN H2M minus 2 O3 with N greater than or equal to 2. We have two types of anhydrides. Simple anhydride, if we have the same number of carbons on the left side and on the right side, it would be a simple anhydride. But if we have different number of carbons on the left side and on the right side, it will be called a mixed anhydride. I will give you an example. The nomenclature is simply you eliminate E of alkane and then you add OIC anhydride, alkanoic anhydride. For example, about the simple acid anhydride. Here we have on the right side one carbon atom and on the left side also one carbon atom, meaning that it's a simple anhydride. Okay, it's enough to name this part or this part. One carbon atom is methanoic anhydride. Similarly, on the right side here we have two carbon atoms. On the left side we have two carbon atoms. It is a simple anhydride. Two carbon atoms, ethane, you eliminate the E, add OIC anhydride, ethanoic anhydride. The third example, we have here 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms on the right side of oxygen, middle oxygen, and 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms on the left side of the middle oxygen here, meaning that they are symmetric, the same. You name it once, only once. 1, 2, 3 propane, you eliminate the E, then you add OIC, propanoic anhydride. Examples of mixed anhydride. Here, if we note, we'll notice that the number of carbon on the right side of oxygen is 2, while on the left side 1 of the middle oxygen. Then it is a mixed anhydride. Two carbons mean ethane, ethanoic. One carbon methane, methanoic. You should respect the alphabetical order. E is before M. Then we call it ethanoic, methanoic anhydride. And it is a mixed anhydride because simply the R's here are asymmetric, non-symmetric. Different number of carbons on the right and the left side. Similarly here we have different number of carbons on the right and on the left side. On the right side we have 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. On the left side of middle oxygen, O1, 2. 2 ethanoic, 3 propanoic. Alphabetical order, E is before P, then we call it ethanoic, propanoic anhydride. It's anhydride, I will repeat because the functional group here is C double bond O, middle O, C double bond O. Our next step is the reaction of preparation of acid anhydrides. It's only a simple reaction called intermolecular dehydration. Intermolecular meaning that we have a reaction between two molecules of carboxylic acid. And dehydration, you are eliminating water. Simply, we take a carboxylic acid here and another carboxylic acid. Since we are talking about dehydration, the first hydroxyl group, we take OH here, and from the second carboxylic acid, we take the hydrogen atom. OH and OH give H2O, and here RC double bond O is bonded with OCOR. Then we're gonna have here RC double bond O, OC double bond OR, which is a anhydride. Then two carboxylic acids react through a reaction called intermolecular dehydration to give what? An acid anhydride and water. Simply the carbohydroxyl group here, okay, and the H here forms water, and the remaining, this compound is attached to this compound of the second carboxylic acid.